Hello Achievers, myself Dr. Vikram from the team MDS Achievers. Today I am here for giving a few tips and instructions why most of the students fail in the NEET MDS exam in the first attempt. That is, first thing is they waste the time in not like using a social media, but like reading textbooks. In the last 30 days of time or last 3 months period of time, it is not recommended to study the textbooks and also not to watch a long video lectures of about more than 1 hour, and also they are not required to make a notes in this period of time. To making such a beautiful colorful notes is not at all recommended. And second thing, that is a poor revision strategy is very common thing, because see, in the NEET NDS exam it is like very fast and close we need to be, and to in order to be that we have to do a lot of revisions, and that is one of the very fundamental thing that you have to do. And third thing is they do not solve the lot of MCQs. See, firstly, completely sticking to MCQs is not recommended. At the same time, not doing MCQs is also not recommended. So, the 70% you have to study, 30% you have to do the MCQs. Because in the multiple choice questions, you will be eliminating the wrong options. So, thereby you will be learning a skills called as eliminating skills. Once you develop that, okay, it is a bingo, you can crack it up in the NEET MDS exam. And thereafter, that is a subject oriented, that is like not integrate as a manner they do study, that is they don't club two or subjects in together. They just read the subject from the first page to last page like that. So these are the tips that you have to follow. And apart from this, that is a poor strategies, that is like how far they have come is also they need to be knowing up. These are the few instructions and tips that you have to follow. Thank you. This is Dr. Vikram signing off.